So wow, what a fantastic opportunity to come to New Zealand to hear about the amazing work that's happening across here. We've worked with Steve and the team now for about 5 years, and you know the world leading research that's happening here, just really excited, and we wanted just to be part of that.
So I was just really excited to see what other people were doing, learn new things. So for example, I've learned about research poetry, which I never knew about, and obviously the opportunity to play with Play-Doh and things like that.
I've got so many ideas, I'm so inspired, and I think really importantly too, I've been really challenged. I think the key take-home message for me is to just break all the rules. I think that's been a theme that's come out of a number of the workshops and some of the keynote speakers, that breaking the rules and disobedience is a real potential for change.
Suppose that creativity has nothing particularly to do with the artistic, that might be a load of bollocks. That actually what creativity is your ability to disobey ritual.
I guess what's challenging to me is that by and large health seems to be seen as a medical thing, and my space is not medical. My space is more of a social thing, so crossing that divide, that bridge, is going to be an interesting one.